Hi everyone, Richard here. Guess where I am? I'm at the KL Birdpark. Finally get to come back because it's now open after a long period of restrictive movement. And I'm here with a friend. And he's the very popular Darren from UK. The nasi lemak guy. He came all the way from UK to our country just to eat nasi lemak. There he is, filming some monkeys. So we're gonna go in the bird park. It's gonna open soon. And we're gonna have a fun day here. Darren, say hi.
Hello.
So we're gonna go to the bird park at 9 AM. They're gonna open.
Sounds good.
And these guys are out for party so early.
Lots of them as well.
Yeah. And just don't feed them. They're not supposed to eat human food, right? Especially don't give them Coca-Cola. They'll get aggressive.
Wow.
So why am I at the bird park? I'm here to show y'all my super long telephoto now. From what I found, if you watch my posts, I posted out pictures of this. What happened was, I have found the holy grail of micro four thirds telezoom conversion. This setup will bring me up to 1520 full frame equivalent of telephoto. So I've been having this Olympus C210 teleconverter for some time now. It's a 1.9 times. I've tried pairing it with other lenses and it didn't give good image quality, didn't work as I wanted it to. So I left it in the shelf for a period of time. And then I've got hold of this 100 and 400, 100 to 400 Panasonic telezoom. This is the smallest zoom lens at 400mm you'll find. It's a very, very small size, but it's very hefty, it's quite heavy. So my package was quite complete with this, but I needed a bit more telezoom. So one night I was thinking whether I should sell this. I wanted to sell this or not. Then I said, okay, why don't I just put it on my telezoom like that and take a shot, and voila, an unintended thing happened, that the image quality was good and it focused at 100mm, at 400mm it focused. So then I quickly ordered a step down ring, which is kind of hard to get. This is a 72mm step down to 52mm for the C210 converter. So I'm gonna put this to the test. I've taken pictures of the moon and everything. I'll post up some of those photos for y'all to see. I posted it on my Insta and my Facebook. But I'm gonna shoot birds with this setup. So I'm gonna show you guys what kind of image quality we can get from here and how well it's working. So I'm very happy with this discovery, and I hope the micro four thirds users from Panasonic or Olympus will be able to try this setup if they are interested in bird photography or nature photography. So this step down ring goes here, you can see, and then it brings the 52mm converter towards the front. So this is how it's going to look like with the extended 1.9 times teleconverter, and when you go to the max zoom, right? Super long, right? Once you go long, you ain't going back. That's how it's going to be. And this is the full setup. That's how it's going to be. That's the full teleconverter. Okay, so is 400 mm times 1.9 times 2. So you're getting 1520 mm distance for the telezoom in this size. So we're going in to the Birdpark. Managed to get. That's Darren. His first time at the Birdpark.
Yeah, my first time.
Yeah, bringing a UK guy to see birds.
There we go. Pull this.
Pull.
There we
Yeah.
go. And then you push. Push.
We're in. So this is your garbage bin where you throw your things. And we are in now. So look at it. What birds are these? Lovebirds. And because telezoom gives 2 stops down, I need to increase the ISO. I need to increase the ISO to get the shutter speed that I want. So let's move in. There are lots more birds down there. So definitely 1520. You really need to stand far away from. Okay, but this portion I don't think I need to use the telezoom, because you need a wide lens for this, right? Yeah, this peacock is always here. This is his territory. He likes the picture. So I need to bump the ISO up. I'm not getting enough sunlight here. Bad for wildlife shots. Okay, it's crying because everyone's not around. And oh yeah, Darren is there. He's trying to pose for Darren. Look at that. So you know the peacocks are attention seekers, right? They stand right in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
And show you all their feathers.
Yeah.
It's like,
I was just thinking that it must be really weird for them, because it's been like, what, 2
Yeah.
months of no humans
yes,
being here.
yes, suddenly humans
and
are
then
back.
all of a sudden, humans
Yeah.
are back.
Yeah, they hope they display that so that it's a mating ritual. So
Yeah.
the humans come in, they try to show their mating
Yeah.
feathers to people.
Yeah.
There are a bunch there.
Oh, yeah.
Oops, careful. Nearly fell down.
I don't do that. Not with that lens in your hand.
Yeah. If I break this lens, then it will be like, oh my god. I'm not gonna get a replacement for this. I came in here hoping to have horrendous sun because it's so hot these few days and so sunny. But when I came, it looks like it's gonna rain. And this telezoom needs sunlight. If not, I'll be all underexposed. All my photos on the long end is underexposed. Why? Because it's 2 stops down on the long end. And I really need the sunlight. Okay, look at the birds. Look at that. I can't take picture of them because I'm too near. So it's really hard to focus because all the birds are so near. I can't use the telezoom 1.9 times. I have to take it out in most cases. Only the long shots I will put the 1.9 time in because it's too near. The zoom is crazy good. It's really hard trying to shoot flying birds with telezoom. So I'm already sweating like mad, and the mask isn't helping because all the heat is shot up to my own lens spectacles. So, and we're gonna move on to another side. I think that would be a wider space for in this park. So we have 2 lovebirds hornbill here. One is segregated by the fence, and he's lovesick. This one is emerald green. This one is emerald green. Yeah, it wasn't blue like the other one. It wasn't turquoise. This is emerald green.
Ah, right.
So, moral of the story. Don't get too greedy and extend your telezoom to 1520 full frame length because you're not going to shoot anything in a bird park, which is cage. Okay, you need to take it to the safari, the big wide open space, because it was really hard for me to shoot anything because I was too darn close to the birds and I can't even get one shot of a flying bird. Can you imagine that? So stick to the normal 140 mm when you come to a bird park or anywhere which is enclosed, and try out that 1.9 times telezoom add-on in the safari. Okay, or shoot the moon like me. So there you have it, guys. Day at the bird. Oh, I dropped my camera. So so there you have it, guys. Day at the bird park with my guest Darren.
Hello.
And
hi.
I'll leave a link to his channel, and he'll leave a link. His channel is bigger than mine. He'll leave a link to mine as well.
I'll leave a link to you, don't worry.
So because he's gonna leave Malaysia, he's going back to UK. So I'll just bring him around and have some food before he flies back. And I hope he comes back, and which he will. He missed the nasi lemak. And that's all for the video. Darren, say
Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
bye. Have a nice day.